Hello everyone and welcome back to my coverage of the 2026 Rail Newport Workshops Open Days. In this video, we're going to be looking at some smaller engines as well as model railways. So, first off, let's look at Klondyke. Klondyke is an 042 industrial tank engine that was built at the Perry Engineering Works in Adelaide. It is under ownership of the Bellarine Railway, and they are planning to run it during winter quite a lot more. It is quite a cute little engine, and it was running on a short demonstration line. Klondyke's demonstration line was right next to where R707 was being displayed on the turntable, and it was quite a sight to see quite a small engine next to one of Victoria's bigger engines. Inside the workshops, there was a model railway exhibition which had two layouts, those being Sunbury and Maryborough. Here we see a few shots of different trains on these layouts. First off, we see a grain train on the Sunbury layout.
Funnily enough, we've managed to take the layout out of it the week before. We don't know because we had a dummy spit from the next member. And then we had the trailer, we pulled the layout out of the trailer, and then all of a sudden the trailer gets a little bit learning.
Because we had breaking back up on the
Yeah.
stuff that you
It's just nice, you know. Well, even the CFA station, they down the road from us, they've been broken into. The tennis club, we're up at Buller Hill. The tennis club got broken into, the Buller Hill ride on railway, same thing. So just
During the day, they even had a gam running, although I only got a photo of it. Moving over to the Maryborough layout now, we see a V-line liveried B-class running a short V-line passenger train. I honestly quite like the Maryborough layout. It had some interesting locomotives and rolling stock on display, including a Commissioner's Livery N-Class and a few other interesting models. It was quite nicely put together. finishing off the video, we had the Garden Valley Railway's Joyce locomotive, which was in scene, and you could even blow its whistle. Quite a nice little addition. Well, that brings an end to my second video covering the Newport Workshops 2026 Open Days. Don't go away, there'll be more videos on this soon. The next video I'm planning to do is an R class compilation with shots of all of the R classes running. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, do all that yada yada to get my channel out there, and thank you very much for watching. 12 days the best, and forever.